Genetics is the study of genes, heredity, and the variation of organisms. Biotechnology is the use of technology to manipulate living organisms for human purposes. Together, these fields have revolutionized our understanding of life and the potential for improving human health and well-being. The Human Genome Project. One of the most significant milestones in genetics was the Human Genome Project, which mapped the entire human genome. The genome is the complete set of genes that make up an organism. The Human Genome Project helped us understand the structure and function of genes and how they contribute to our health and disease. Gene editing techniques. Gene editing refers to the ability to manipulate the genetic code of an organism. This can be done through techniques like CRISPR-Cas9, which allows scientists to cut and paste DNA sequences with a high degree of precision. Gene editing has the potential to cure genetic diseases, modify crops to be more resilient and nutritious, and even create new organisms with desired traits. Applications of gene editing. Gene editing has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling scientists to cure genetic diseases that were once thought to be incurable. For example, gene editing could be used to cure sickle cell anemia, a painful and life-threatening genetic disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Gene editing can also be used to modify crops to make them more resistant to pests and environmental stressors, which could help improve food security and reduce the use of harmful pesticides. Additionally, gene editing could be used to create new organisms with desired traits, such as bacteria that can break down plastic waste or algae that produce biofuels. Ethical considerations. Despite the potential benefits of gene editing, there are also ethical considerations to take into account. For example, gene editing could be used to create designer babies with desirable traits, which raises questions about eugenics and societal inequalities. Additionally, gene editing could have unintended consequences, such as off-target effects that could harm the environment or other organisms. Conclusion. Genetics and gene editing have the potential to transform human health and well-being, as well as revolutionize agriculture and biotechnology. However, it is crucial that we consider the ethical implications of this research and ensure that it is used in ways that align with our values and priorities. By doing so, we can harness the power of genetics and biotechnology to improve our lives and the world around us.